move forward with the environmental licensing, continue with our community social engagement, which has been, been paid off a lot in terms of improving our acceptance, improving the support for the project.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Jose Palma. He is the vice president of Aclara Resources. And Jose, good to see you. How are you?
Good, Steve. Thank you for having me here.
Yeah, excited to have you along. You've had some news out, including today. So let's address that first. I know the environmental process continues to go on, and with that, you were given some direction from the government today.
Yeah, that's correct. We put out a very brief press release this morning, just letting our investors know that the evaluation process continues. Now we've been formally notified from the SEA, which is the Environmental Licensing Authority, with all the questions and observations that the different agencies have. And we are already working on the response and hope to have everything filed by the end of the first quarter of next year.
Yeah, that's the big update. Now, we should also mention that the Chilean government has launched a new program called the Industrial Strengthening Plan. Mm-hmm. And this is firmly into where you are with Aclara Resources. So talk to me about being included in this and just the support from the government.
Yes, we're very excited about that. Actually, this is a comprehensive plan that the government has launched specifically for the Biobío region, which is the region where we're located. As you probably know, the Biobío region has had some positive news in terms of economic growth in the last few years, and so the government has released and made public this plan, which includes both facilitating and promoting public investment as well as private investment. Now, we're obviously within the private investment category, and we're very excited to be named specifically as one of the projects that they consider strategic and that they will be pushing forward to get accomplished as soon as possible. We're not the only ones. There are also projects in electricity, in other mining, green hydrogen, etc. But clearly, this is a testament to the work that is being done locally by our team in terms of communicating, in terms of explaining what the project's about, why our mining is completely different than traditional mining, and I think that it's all very exciting news.
Yeah, and in essence, the government is saying, look, these are opportunities in the country to create jobs, have economic investment, make money from taxes and fees and all that kind of stuff. So in essence, they're saying this is something that's going to help drive employment and other things within that particular region.
Exactly. Well, the plan looks to do is to promote about $6.8 billion worth of new investment, both private and public, and with that generate a little bit over 5,000 jobs in the next few years. So that's something that the region critically needs, and we're happy to be one of those projects, and we're ready to start investing as soon as we get the permits.
Yeah, exactly. So is that the focus now in the next little while, is just to get this work done from the Environment Ministry and then get on to the next stages?
Absolutely. The plan is move forward with the environmental licensing, continue with our community social engagement, which has been been paid off a lot in terms of improving our acceptance, improving the support for the project, and continue to work with both the regional and national governments to see how we can help move forward this plan that the government has outlined.
Well, congratulations on being added to the Industrial Strengthening Plan. And Jose, it's good to see you, and good luck with everything. We'll talk soon, okay?
Sure. Thank you very much.
All right, there's Jose Palma, the vice president of Aclara Resources.